Stephanie Link is with us, Chief Investment Strategist and Portfolio Manager at Hightower, also a CNBC contributor. We're awaiting this Lancet news. I don't know whether you think it's built into the market or not. Also curious what earnings you're going to be looking at this week to determine which way this whole thing's headed.
Yeah, so it's good to see you, Andrew. We have this push-pull going on between the economic recovery and the number of new virus cases and any progress on vaccines and that sort of thing. And that's what we're going through. That's just the life we live right now. But it's against a very favorable liquidity backdrop with M2, money supply, up 25% year over year, and more is coming. So to me, last week I was very encouraged by the economic data, the broad-based economic data that we got. We got industrial production, retail sales, housing. Across the board, things are getting better. The big question is, do these new closures from certain states, does it actually dampen the recovery? And that's the big question mark. In the meantime, the two things that I'm looking at this week, earnings for sure, absolutely, but also this rotation, because we've talked about it. You've seen this to value from growth rotation. I think it does still have some legs. I mean, you've got energy stocks still down 38%, industrials down 11%, financials down 22%. So I think you can continue to see a rotation, but earnings are going to drive the markets, I think, this week. I'm looking at Microsoft. They grew cloud revenue 61% last quarter. I think they're going to continue to see very strong momentum. I'm looking at Coke down 18%, which I think is way overdone. And Intel, we'll look and see how strong PC sales are, because we did get good IDC data, and also data center. So there's a lot of moving parts here this week. I think earnings, though, ultimately is going to drive the markets this week.